Hey buddy, are you moving all of your cans? They weren't good there? Are they better over there? Yeah, you gotta take a little imaginary drink, eh? Yeah, that one was upside down. Poor Daddy, he's gonna get pop all over when he opens those. But you missed one. You missed one. You need a diaper change. There, I think you're all done. Is it a masterpiece? No, it's not perfect yet. Is it perfect? Almost. Yeah.